minute now and give you an update on Carmen. We've been able to work on it a pretty good bit this week. You see all 4 windows are back in it now. That was a pretty tough job, never done that. The gas tank's back in it. All the plumbing for the gas line or fuel filler is hooked up. That's super cool, all new stuff. New seals in the door. That's what the white, that's baby powder. That softens them seals up, makes it where you can roll the windows up and down till you get them adjusted where you want them. Pretty tough job there doing these convertible windows. Started putting the bumper brackets on in the back last night. Got to get some new bumpers for it. This is a really cool car project that Steve and I are both very proud of. Super slick paint job, kudos to him. And we just got to get it finished up, get it in the top shop. Sure she's ready to have her car back. She's ready to cruise with us. New seals in the deck lid, new seals in the trunk or the front trunk. Super cool. Excited to be finishing this project up. Looks as good on the bottom as it does on the top. Alright, Bird, just want to shoot you a little video. Let you know we're riding around the yard. Look at there. Can you see that blue? Can you see that blue moving? That's Carmen moving under its own power. Got a lot of adjusting, tweaking to do. Shifter's out of adjustment. She wants to go to 4th instead of 1st. There it is. That's 1st gear. Look at there, Bird. We're riding. We're cruising, Bird. Get these cars running, we're going to go cruising. That's what we're going to do, Bird. We're going to go cruising. This is a great day for Riverbank Customs. This car's been here a little over a year. Man, it's nice. Miss Regina, she's going to be super proud of it. She's going to be as proud of it as I am, probably. This is probably the first time this car's been on a black top in maybe 15 years. I don't know. I don't know. Look there. I don't know what to do about that EGR light, but we ain't got no oil light, we ain't got no ordinary light, and then we got a 1/4 tank of gas. And we're on the black top. We're riding Carmen. Now, the hood ain't lashed down, so we're not gonna do too much. Got a line steering wheel up. A lot of tweaking and twisting still got to be done. But I'm going to tell you, we've come a long way. When this car comes to Riverbank Customs last year, it wouldn't even run. It's sitting on 4 flats. Man, this is a big day. This is a super nice car. Hard to video and drive at the same time. Can't see a whole lot. There's a shiny wheel down there.
Get to
This little bracket's dealing with fits. There's probably a better way to do it, but this is our first one. Actually, second one, because we've already done the driver's side. So if there's a better way, drop us a comment in the section below and we'll all know. We're gonna get it. It ain't gonna whoop us.
We about to call this one done.
About got this weather strip done. This door will be done. Still needs a little bit of adjustment, but we're gonna do that as we put the top on. Alright, so Carmen the runner. We drove it up the road. Everything seems to be going well. Just got the seat kind of setting in there. Finished up the wire, a little bit of the wiring. Gonna be alright. Car runs good. A little tweaking we gotta do. Just a shifter, door sill hanging out down there. It's all gonna work out. Proud, proud, proud. Send this video to Miss Regina. She ain't seen it in a while. So just want to give you an update on one of our future projects, one we kind of starting on a little bit slowly. We've purchased a front end suspension kit from Wagons West. We're waiting on it to get here, but this is the bus that you've seen Steven purchase a few months back after the sale of Red 67. So he got it out, got it all cleaned up, got everything out of it, and it's just in super great shape, basically rust free. It's had some metal work done on it, but not a lot.
Man, I'm excited about this. I'm gonna do a cool little air conditioning. I'm about to figure out air conditioning for real. I think I can drive this thing.
What do you think about it, John?
I like it. This is gonna be a good one right here.
I hope you enjoyed this video and you like our content. Please stay tuned, come back, check us out. Come by and see us at the Pell City Lakeside Motor Fest, September 21st from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. We'll have the whole crew out there. We've been challenged to have 20 Volkswagens in this show. We're going to make that happen. Thanks again.